Welcome to the OPPO Find X2 Neo, and I'll show you how to change lock screen wallpaper on this device. So first, let's open the settings application, and then we should tap to the personalization section, then tap to wallpaper and click agree and continue and tap to allow. Now we can see here our album from our device, photos previously taken on our device camera or downloaded from the internet photos, for example. Also, we can use our default wallpapers on our device, and we can also here use online wallpapers, but just to use them we should be connected to the internet, to Wi-Fi or another mobile data. So for example, let's use now one from the default wallpapers. Click here apply and select lock screen. Now just let's lock our phone, and we can see that we just changed it successfully. Also, we have one more way how we can do that. Just first hold for a while screen of your phone with a finger, and on the left down corner tap to widgets icon. After that you'll see all the same settings. So just let's select one from the online wallpapers. Let's use this one. Click apply and once again select lock screen, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you guys like this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.